Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are renovating your drawing room and you are searching for modern design, then your search can end here. So relax and watch each drawing room designs carefully and get some great and innovative ideas from these designs that are recommended by top interior designers all over the world. The space matters a lot while decorating any room like bedroom, drawing room, etc. Before decorating and furnishing your drawing room, decide how much time your family members spend there. If you have less space, you need more care to furnish it. If you have more space, you can use the space more efficiently. Ornamental pieces such as sculptures, wall hangings, flowers, and paintings add to the beauty of the room. Also, you can put fresh flowers into vase anywhere beside phone table or over dining table. Mirror can be an additional ornament to the drawing room. The basic decorative and entertaining article of drawing room furniture are chair, sofa, tables, etc. The shape of the room expresses the layout of the furniture. A small room needs small furniture to keep all things, which saves space. When there is a large gathering of guests at any function, to minimize the problem of space during late hours, you can use a sofa cum bed which serve both purposes, one of the sofa and other of bed in an emergency. If there is less space, use folding furniture and furniture on wheels which can be pulled only when it is required. Colors play a dominant role in decorating a drawing room. Light colors make the room look larger and spacious. For small rooms, the light colors such as white or cream, as they are most obviously choice of the walls. The room would look smaller if there are stronger colors. However, you can use warm colors for some areas of the room. Thus, colors should be selected carefully. Nowadays, contemporary colors are more in demand because they have both light and bright colors and add brightness to the drawing room. You can use light colors like versatile white, which is likely to please you, and you can also try brighter shades such as red and green. You can go for an option of two color scheme, taking first color at the center and the second color to give sparkling effect on the first. If the location of your drawing room is sun facing, use cool colors like ocean blue or sea green. If the location of your drawing room is non-sun facing and you want to get warm in winters, go for bright shades like yellow and orange to diminish the dullness. The curtains provide a traditional and artistic look to the drawing room. The designs of curtains depend on windows, doors, colors of the wall, and decoration of the drawing room. Cotton and silk are the best fabric for curtains and are liked by everyone. Use lining curtains are durable and protect us from outside weather. Use fancy tie-back that makes the curtain more attractive. Change curtains pole and use swag and valance curtains. Three types of flooring in your drawing room, such as ceramic tile flooring, wooden flooring, and white marble flooring, are suitable for any drawing room. Ceramic tile flooring is extremely strong, easy to clean, bacteria free, light in weight, scratch resistant, fireproof, and stain free. The tiles are good insulator. Ceramic tile flooring is salt glazed, that is why it is anti-slippery. Wooden flooring is always recommended for its craftsmanship. It is versatile, durable, noiseless, and long-lasting if maintained properly. It does not get hot in summer and does not get cold in winter also. It adds charm to the beauty of drawing room. White marble flooring adds a beauty to the drawing room. It is hard, dense, and has long life. It is easy to clean, strong, long lasting, and stain free. It is bacteria free as the joints are very thin. Carpets add ornamental touch to the flooring of a drawing room. These are usually selected according to the location of the place. If a carpet is well placed in a drawing room, it works for long lasting time, though it's less expensive. You can think of a stain resistant carpet if you have any kid. You can go for short resilience carpet to avoid slippery. Friends, if you are enjoying these design and ideas on modern drawing room designs, then you should definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. Before decorating drawing room interior, you should consider apt lighting and plan how activities are going to take place there. Never use central light because its creative shadow and glare. Combination of fluorescent and halogen lights provide the lighting throughout the space. Showing sculptures with spotlighting gives an artistic look which enhances the warmth of drawing room. You can also consider general lighting for entertainment purpose such as watching television, task lighting for reading, and accent light for artwork. Pendant lights are fixed in the center of the drawing room just as chandelier light, while up lights are fixed in the darker corner of the drawing room. Mirror expand a space, even a small one at that. They make drawing room appear bigger, stylish and more contemporary. Rest a large mirror against one wall or fix it. Rest it on a mantel or place one at the entranceway. Use different shapes and sizes and it can transform your drawing room. Greenery, shrubs, climber bushes can enliven any kind of space. Fill any drawing room with green. Use of empty spaces and blank walls. Pair with greenery with wooden artifacts and if possible, small water bodies. Personalize your room with climbers and art. Foliage is distinct, give you space character and brightens up even the dullest of the drawing room. A trend catching up among home of today are exposed brick walls. These styles is also here to stay given the extraordinary character they lend to the space. Whether created during the construction or with a fox look, exposed tile on one wall of a drawing room bring together the contemporary with the traditional. Drawing room ceiling design is another area that can do well with a textured look. Paint it over with cream color or leave it brick red and hang a few decor plates or painting for a 70s era decor. A drawing room should be presentable, and if you are looking to remodel or renovate your property, ensure that it is warm, welcoming and uncongested. Homeowners often tend to put up all their furniture, accessories and showpieces in the drawing room, but this is a mistake. There are a number of things you must keep in mind while designing your living room or drawing room. If you have a small space, choose a minimalist design with simple yet attractive furniture. Too much of anything can look very unattractive. Ensure that small spaces are made to look bigger by opting for slim, light colored furniture. It may not be easy to design a living space that is narrow. In some properties, the alignment of the beam may not be such that the space cannot be disturbed, even if the family might be planning on a complete renovation. Therefore, if you need to make do with a narrow space, the only option is to design it well and complement it with furniture that matches the style. In such rooms, you could put the furniture at either end of the room, while leaving space in the center to facilitate easy cleaning and walking. Use light colors that provide a feeling of space. If your hall is spacious, you could consider merging different areas. For example, you can opt for an open format living room and bring your dining room into the living room, while not making it look like a clear demarcation. You could also add extra furniture on either side. To help blur any demarcation, add a sense of continuity. Friends, hope you like this video on modern drawing room designs. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.